Hello, my name is Michael Riley, and I'm from ABA Appliance in sunny San Diego. I've put together something that I've been doing for about 30 years now. Um, been doing remote service repair for people over the phone. I worked at the Hotline, Whirlpool Corporation about 35 plus years ago. We were doing service and repairs over the phone. As well, I worked for the Sears has a program like that as well. I didn't work for them very long. I didn't care for Sears. Anyway, so my background is I've been doing appliance repair for over 38 years. I'm a full line tech. I do everything. In fact, I go beyond what I get dust on my shirt there. I go beyond what most techs do. There's some brands out there, old brands that like O'Keefe and Merritt and Gaffers and Sattler, the 50s and 60s ranges that nobody fixes anymore. I actually do fix them. Parts aren't available, but there's other replacement parts that are equal to those parts, and that's the way I work. If something can be fixed, there's always a part available for it. Safely fix it. Then I'm qualified and well versed in training others, and that's kind of what we're doing here. Is I'm just kind of doing a small training session with you to walk you through the repair. I'm not going to go get into real training or anything, but I'm just walking you through the repair so that you're able to diagnose it with my assistance and fix it. And I don't charge that much for it. Normal rates out there when we come into the home, everybody's kind of aware that you call Sears, it's about $100 just for them to come out, service call charge, and then they charge you labor on top of that to fix it. So I on the most appliances, all the appliances, normal appliances, aside from sealed system repairs, which is replacing a compressor or evaporator or something, where you use torches on a refrigerator, that's called a sealed system repair. All the other repairs on the website, it's stated as most appliances. That's the section that I charge $69 for first 2 hours of assistance in helping you repair it. So there's up to 2 hours of assistance there. If it takes that long, and usually it doesn't take that long. But it's a lot cheaper than having somebody in it. And at this day and time, it's much more safe with the COVID-19 going on to have people coming into your home where you have no idea where a technician's been before they come to your home, and whether they've actually truly, sanitize themselves after they leave your home. They may carry what they got from one home into another home because they don't properly sanitize. People will see that there's a service that's available to fix their appliance. They don't have to go without right now or be fearful of having somebody come into their home. But you can actually, with limited resources and the assistance, my assistance, get through it yourself and return back to normal, whether it's your refrigerator not working, which every one of us needs, of course, the washing machine not working, whatever it is. All the major brand appliances and all the brands I work on, washers, dryers, dishwashers, microwaves would be limited assistance because there's a 12,000 plus potential of discharge on them that can actually kill you. So it probably won't be electrical repairs on microwaves, but depending on your abilities. And what I do is I've been doing this so long, I can tell right off the bat if you're able to do certain things just by the way you talk about the subject and what your mechanical abilities seem to be. And that's kind of what I'll talk with you about first of all before we get started, just so I get a barometer of where you're at, so I know how to bring myself to the level of assistance that you need. The website for the virtual ABA Appliance is my service business that I've been doing for over 38 years. It's abaappliance.net. That's the service business if you're local in San Diego area. Otherwise, the virtual assistance here will be through Zoom, as you notice here on this video. And that website is appliancerepairvirtualhotline.com. Appliancerepairvirtualhotline.com. And it has all the rates on there and all the information about the set up the downloads for Zoom, whether it be a phone that you're working on or a computer, desktop, laptop, whatever. They give you the download clients, and the apps, phone apps are listed on there for you to download so that you can actually communicate with me on your end. Very quick download, very, very simple installation. It installs itself. So there's no installation that normally a lot of people are used to dealing with. It can be a headache sometimes. So it's very, very simple system. And what you can do is you go on the website, and my email address is on there. I'm not posting my phone number on there right now, I don't believe. And there's the reason for that is when you get somebody on the phone, they just want to ask you free advice, and I'm pretty busy, so I can't really do that right now. Give an hour of free advice. And we're all struggling out here, so I'm trying to stay in business as well. Is the other reason for doing this. So help us out, help you out is basically what we're doing here. Is the fee is very small, but it's something to work towards paying my bills on my end, keep my business up, since service is basically dead because people don't want you in their homes, understandably. So email me from the website, and then I'll contact you back, and we can just, if we need to call each other, we'll talk to each other for a few minutes, and then we can get set up, schedule a time that's best for you, whether it's right away or another time for the first 2-hour session to address your problem and hopefully resolve it right away. Not all problems need parts. If they do, I do have a facility for expediting parts to you very quickly at a cheaper cost. So we can address that if parts are needed. And then once you get the part, we could follow up and continue on with the conversation, the meeting, video meeting to finish the repair, installation, and repair. So it's pretty simple how it works. You're going to need some patience on your end, and some time set aside for up to 2 hours for the first video conference to address your issues and your problem for your appliance. Hopefully undisturbed. I'm pretty busy on my end as well, so it's easier if I get everything resolved in one video conference. If not, there's other additional times on there. If it goes over 2 hours, and the next slot is 1 hour, and it's self-explanatory on the website. There's a drop down with all the prices, but there's also a table with all the prices in them for each additional hour after the first 2 hours, and then unlimited after the fourth time we need to make contact. If it's been 4 hours and we're still not solved with it, there's another small fee, and then I just get unlimited time at that point, because I don't want to run it up out of nowhere where it doesn't make any sense to help you. So there is a cap on it, and an unlimited at the fourth contact to just get it resolved, whatever amount of time it takes. Okay. The reason I can do that is because I have the confidence in myself in my abilities mechanically and experience-wise to be able to identify the problem very quickly. Have you identify it on your end, verify it, and then address the problem and solve it So I don't waste any time doing that kind of repair and diagnosis. And I actually do work real well with you on your schedule. So I'm not setting concrete on my site. I actually cater to you, and that's why I'm providing this service as well. Trying to get the customers what they need when they need it at the safest avenue possible at the cheapest price. I like to use the word affordable. Cheapest isn't always the best representative of doing a good job. And that's what I am all about, is doing professional and the proper repair. There's a lot of wannabes online that not only give out wrong information, but they really don't know what they're talking about. And when you go on there, you'll probably already found it out. The appliance repairs have to be specific to what you're working on. Every brand, every model, a different model could be a different set of parts and different the way it works. So online, when you look for information, it's not specific to model, sometimes brand. So the repair they're talking about could have nothing to do with the way your appliance works. So you waste all kinds of time, even buy parts sometimes, and they don't, your appliance doesn't even have those parts. So I know what the frustrations are out there with the YouTube and all that, and getting information where a guy starts getting mad at you because you don't know what he's talking about, and he actually doesn't know what he's talking about, and that's why you can't follow him, because he's not really a professional, and he's just trying to be out there acting like he knows something. So I've been around a long time. I know the appliances. I'm very good at it. Here's a service for you. Go to Appliance Repair Virtual Hotline.com, and you can email me and let me know what the issues are that you have with your appliances, and you can take a look at the rates and everything, and you'll see it's extremely reasonable. And then we can go from there, get you back in business. Okay. We'll talk to you soon, hopefully. Be safe out there. And I guess we're supposed to stay that 6 feet away from everybody. So just be safe. Okay. All right. We'll talk to you soon, hopefully, if I can help you out with anything. All right. Thank you.